the SIATOES AI Translator. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the SIATOES AI Translator. This tool can be used for those that travel frequently and can help with language barriers. I will go over specs, features, then demonstrate the translator. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with a user guide, a screen protector and case, also a storage case, USB-C cable, and an earphone converter cable, and a lanyard. The translator has 117 languages, offline translation for 8 countries, instant two-way translation, 3.1-inch touchscreen, voice, photo, and recording translation, USB-C for charging, and has a 2080 mAh battery, 60 minutes of recording and translation, 14 system languages, and support for Wi-Fi, 4G, and hotspot. The translator is very slim and has a smartphone feel to it. You have a 3.1-inch touchscreen display. On the right side, you have the power button, dialogue A, and dialogue B button. On the left side, you have the volume controls and the 4G card slot. Taking a look at the bottom, you'll find the USB-C charge port and a microphone, and the speaker just right above it. On the top, you'll find 2 additional microphones. And on the back, you have the 8-megapixel camera and the flash. The translator comes in at 2.2 by 5 by 0.5 inches. Looking at the main screen, it has a nice bright display and it's responsive when swiping. You have the various icons for the features. Under the settings, you can toggle your connections, system language, display, date, and so on. Now let's look at the input translator. Here you can type and then it will translate to the language you want. Right now it's set English to Chinese. The translate feature will let you translate dialogue back and forth. You use the button on the right side to record. You can use the drop-down to toggle the languages. Here I will toggle it from Chinese, Japanese, Vietnamese, then Arabic. Hello, good morning.
你好，早上好。你好，早上好。
Hello, good morning. Good morning.
Buổi sáng tốt lành. おはようございます。
Good morning.
صباح الخير.
Clicking on the photos icon, it will activate the camera, and you can use this to translate signs and restaurant menus as examples. Here I've printed some Chinese signs.
王府 an art gallery.
Wang Fu an art gallery. Please take good care of and protect healthcare creates excellence U.S. water environment.
And there you have it. That's my review of the SIATOES AI Translator. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.